Hello my chat partners, welcome back to another video, and if you are new here, my name is Dionne. Please subscribe to my channel, and to my returning chat partners, I really appreciate you guys' support. Today's video is a get ready with me video. I recently went on a cruise with my family, and guys, I decided to record me getting ready on the cruise ship. I think it's pretty cool because I was actually in the middle of the ocean. It was awesome, guys. So yeah, this video is just me getting ready to do some fun things on the cruise ship with my family. This video includes the outfit that I wore, me doing my hair, which is a natural style, makeup, and fragrance. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, beautiful people, we have come to the end of this video. I really do hope you guys enjoy watching me get ready while on a cruise ship in the middle of the ocean. Guys, thank you so much for watching my video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, Dionne's Life, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can receive alerts for each and every time I upload and become a chat partner. I'm wishing you all out there peace of mind because what? A peace of mind is one of the greatest things in the world. Always remember that you guys are great. And as always, take care, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye, guys.